Hi, bro. How are you?
Hi, bro. Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. Thanks for asking.
Nice.
So, how is your day then?
Uh, quite of a little bit hectic today.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing much. How about yours?
Yeah, I just came back to my PG from my office. Yeah, it's a good day for me too.
Oh, nice. It's nice
Yeah.
then.
Are you a student or a working professional?
I just passed out from my Masters of Computer Application in
Mm-hmm.
this year, just July this year.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm working as a AI developer and tester in a
Mm-hmm.
company. And right now I'm doing internship. It's
Mm-hmm.
just 2 months of done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And previously, I was working in a company where when I was in my last semester,
Mm-hmm.
at the time I got an internship.
Mm-hmm.
So I was working as a software testing engineer
Mm-hmm.
in a company which is located in Hyderabad also.
Mm-hmm.
But after that, I thought like after 6 7 months, I was like, let's move on to new AI things. So I
Oh.
just got out from that company and
Mm.
pursue my like own domain things. That's right.
Great. Uh, can you give your self-introduction a bit? Your name, your, I mean, uh,
Yeah, sure.
place where you were born or something like that. Hobbies, interests, something like
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
sure. So basically, my name is Devashish Mukherjee. I'm from a small town village, kind of like that, which is located in West Bengal itself, uh, just beside a little bit far away from Kolkata.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, I did my bachelor's of computer application from Meghnad Institute of Technology, which is located in Kolkata itself.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought like after that, I need to pursue master itself. That's why I chose Lovely Professional University, which is located in Jalandhar, Punjab.
Yeah, yeah.
So while doing that masters, I got the internship, as I said
Hmm.
earlier.
Yes, yes. That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. So, as you know, these days AI and artificial intelligence, as you mentioned, and other stuff are booming, right? So, because of that, there is actually a threat for job security and also. What is your view on it as you're working in that field?
Yeah. So I will say one thing that AI is really a new technology which is growing itself in this time period.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so much people's kind of feared about it and so much try to learn of it, learn with the things of AI itself
Mm-hmm.
right now. So I will say one thing, it is not like it is a threat for us. If we learn with our own domain a little bit AI itself, it
Mm-hmm.
will be helpful in the future. Means the work is which we are doing it right now for
Mm-hmm.
like 3 4 hours.
Hmm.
But if we'll know AI a little bit, like prompt engineering or
Hmm.
like Gen AI kind of things,
Mm-hmm.
agentic AI, so many things are there. So we
Hmm.
don't need to learn everything. But if
Yeah.
we learn a little bit things, that will
Hmm.
be helpful for our own work itself.
Hmm. Hmm. Great. Great.
So that is the thing. Yeah.
Nice. So let's talk about your hometown. What is it famous for? When you mentioned that you're from Kolkata, it just reminds me of a few movie stars from Andhra Pradesh. Telangana, going there and making a few movies. We have Pawan Kalyan,
Hmm.
Chiranjeevi, and some other stars.
Yes.
So, do you have any fans who admire our, southern part of Indian stars there? So,
Yeah, I must say there is a lot of fan of which movie is that Pushpa means Allu Arjun itself. I am
yes.
one of the biggest fan of Allu Arjun also,
Oh, that's
and
great.
obviously we just saw a Coolie, Rajnikant. Whoever
Mm-hmm.
don't know Rajnikant itself about
Yes.
like and also Pavan Kalyan's movie is recently released. I went to
Mm-hmm.
watch in the theater also with my friends.
Oh,
Even though I don't know Telugu, but I translate that into
great.
English, and it
Great.
was really good.
Huh,
So
huh.
many good movies they are giving us. And if
Hmm.
I tell you about my hometown personally,
Mm-hmm.
like it is a normal village kind of area, but I must say the nature is really good at there.
Mm-hmm.
As we see in the corporate world, there is a
Yeah.
concrete jungle like that we see
Yeah,
in
yeah,
that.
yeah.
But apart to that, I must say that village area heals us. So yeah, I love my place, and this is really good.
That's great. That's good. So why have you planned? I know that a few people from Kolkata who work there in BPO sector. I have a few managers who work here in Hyderabad. So what made you to come from there? Like, is that only the job opportunity that you got as an intern, or you wanted to come in southern part of India and work in these states? So what is your view in that?
So, from the childhood, I will say one thing: I travel a lot, and I
Oh,
like to explore so much.
hmm.
So, as I said, that I did my BCA from Kolkata, and then I took MCA admission in Punjab. So
Oh,
it's kind of a long part, like too much
hmm.
travel I had to do at that
Yes.
time also. So
Hmm.
I thought like I explore a little bit about north. So why not try to south? And I would say
Great.
that one thing that after coming southern part of India, I
Mm-hmm.
really say that I like it very much. And Hyderabad, it is really so good. And the
Great.
peoples,
Hmm.
according to me, like they are here, the peoples are friendly and they
Hmm.
are like friendly behaviors. I like their behavior and they are helpful also.
That's great.
So
That's
yeah,
great.
try to explore everything.
That's great. So let's talk about your English journey, how you started and what made you to learn English. Even you have your I mean local language, maybe your mother tongue and other languages like Hindi and all. Then
Hmm.
what made you to learn English and why?
Yeah. Uh, as I said that I am from a village kind of area, and my mother tongue is basically Bengali itself. Yeah,
Mm. Yes.
and while I was doing my masters itself, I was trying to learn and I was trying to get a same level with the other student as like
Mm-hmm.
they're speaking in English.
Mm-hmm.
They're really fluent in English, and I was at that time I was really scared a lot, but.
Yeah.
To be honest, there was some teachers,
Hmm.
some faculties are there which
Mm-hmm.
helps me a lot. They suggested me to read like English books, try
Oh.
to learn about English words from there, and
Hmm.
also you should hear some musics of like English musics. It will
Yeah.
help also.
Yes.
And to be honest, I think speaking, like
Hmm.
in front of people, try to speak as many as you can. Like if you
True.
don't know
True.
properly, that is also good, not a bad thing. Just
Yeah.
speak. It will
Hmm.
reduce the fear of your like stage
Hmm.
fear kind of thing.
True.
So yeah, maybe that is the thing I got in my life. That's why my English is a little bit good now. Now it's in the flow at least.
It's
Yeah,
really good. Even I noticed that you really have a good fluency and you were able to pronounce the words properly. You were able to construct the words and you were able to talk in past tense, present tense, future tense. You're able to express your thoughts, the ideas that you have. It's really awesome. So you do have
thank you so
a
much.
lot of barriers that I could say, but you're really doing an awesome job. Let's talk about your
Thank you so
hobbies.
much. Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome. Let's talk
Hmm.
about your hobbies and interests. What do you do in your spare time?
So, uh, like my hobbies, basically, I'm really addicted to sports, like whatever
Oh,
sports it is. I
uh-huh.
really love football. My favorite country I follows, like
Hmm.
which is Brazil itself, and my favorite
Oh,
club is Real Madrid.
hmm. Spain, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
Hmm.
apart from that sports, I like to learn and explore, like
Hmm.
new places I like to explore, and also like haunted places, some kind of things I
Oh,
like it. Yeah,
huh.
and
Nice.
learning, like learning new things like this AI things, Gen AI
Hmm.
things, N8, so many new things are coming into technologies. Whichever it
True.
is there, try to learn, try to know itself. It will be a good thing for you in the future.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Agree.
Yes.
As you mentioned that you love watching, I mean, being in haunting places. So can you
Yeah.
suggest a few movies if you watch such haunting movies or any sci-fi
Yes.
related sort of movies, something? Yeah.
Hmm. So I would suggest first of all the Conjuring
Oh
itself.
yeah,
It is
obviously,
really good.
obviously, yeah.
Yeah. If you watch it alone at night, you will
Hmm.
really get scared so much.
True.
And
I
apart
agree.
of that, like a sci-fi movie, if you like
Hmm.
sci-fi movie also, I like
Hmm.
so much about space itself. So I would
Hmm.
suggest two movies. Like one
Hmm.
is Interstellar,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
one is like a dream kind of thing, which is Inception. These three movies are one of my favorite movies itself.
That's
Yeah.
great. And you said you also watch some South Indian movies. You mentioned Pushpa,
Yes.
Coolie. I mean, recently released a Pawan Kalyan's movie, which is Harihara Veeramallu.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, among these three movies, let's give the rate from yourself. So which one do you think
Okay.
is a good movie, and what feedback do you give about the director, the movie director?
Uh, I think the director is really good,
Mm-hmm.
but I like especially S.S. Rajamouli. He's my one of the favorite directors in the whole
Mm-hmm.
world itself. He's really good.
Mm-hmm.
His creativity is beyond our thinking. Like we
Hmm.
did say into Bahubali also, and
Mm-hmm.
also like Lokesh, which is the director who is the
Lokesh
director of
Kanagaraj, yeah,
Coolie
Coolie,
itself.
Coolie, yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
So his directing skills are really good. His BGMs also comments collab with Anirudh
Mm-hmm.
itself. So I would
Yes,
say
yes.
that I really like Coolie movie also, like the BGMs and the
Mm-hmm.
choreography and the directory of that
Yeah.
Lokesh. So I
Yes.
would say that he is really awesome and.
Hmm.
The movie, yeah, I rate it obviously a solid 9.5. The Coolie movie, yeah, I enjoyed a
Nice.
lot in the theaters.
Great, especially that Monica song. It
Yes.
just viral like anything. Even I, when I went recently to my village, I, along with my friends, we danced to that song. We practiced, we rehearsed a few, I mean, few minutes, and we just made a kind of reel. We are to publish that one. Yeah, that's how, it
Yeah,
just got spread everywhere.
everywhere. Yeah, to be honest, really, we
True.
also enjoyed it. The songs came and everyone is
Yeah,
dancing in their chair and the floor
especially
is
that
really good.
guy. That guy. I don't know what's his
Yes.
name. He looks
Yeah.
a little elderly person, but his energy
Hmm.
and that grace that he has in his body,
Yes.
he just
Yeah,
nailed it.
everyone played their role very good. Their
Hmm.
acting skills are really good, like solid 10. Everyone is acting perfectly, even their collab with Amir Khan also at the end of
Hmm.
the movie, it was really good.
I haven't watched the movie. I am yet to watch because a lot of people are saying that the movie hasn't gone that good, but there are a few storytelling. Maybe it lacks a few quality basis things. That's why it haven't reached to wide range of audience.
uh
Let's see. Even
yeah,
I'm curious to watch it. Maybe I'll watch it on
yeah, you
OTT
should give it a
platform.
shot.
Sure,
Yes.
definitely, definitely. Yeah, let's talk something like what else do you want to do you have any questions for me, or do you want to talk about any particular thing that you have in your mind?
um, I think right now I want to talk about one thing. There's a
Hmm.
problem in our generation, which
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
like we are feared to talk with any other persons. Like
True. I
we are
agree.
thinking so much, like if we are talking with them, what will they judge of us? Why are you thinking like that? We
True.
are also human beings. They are also human beings.
True.
If you want to talk with him or talk with
Hmm.
her, let's talk.
Yes.
After that they are thinking whatever they're thinking or not, this is not our thing. Like they will think
True. True.
what are you thinking so much about it. So I think in this generation lack of communication is there.
Yes.
That's and that's why I think that it is one of the cause of stress, anxiety,
Hmm.
depressions also. If you can't
Hmm.
communicate with anyone, if you can't say what you feel and
Hmm.
what how is your day, so
Hmm.
there should be like you are feel loneliness, and the loneliness
True.
convert at a time it is
Hmm.
into depression itself. So I
Obviously,
think, yeah,
eventually, all
that
these
is the thing.
things will lead to depression, or maybe ending up being alone, not sharing his or her thoughts to someone else. Unless and
Yes.
until we share our thoughts, how will they get to know like how we feel it, right? So
Yeah,
obviously,
to be honest,
whatever you
yes.
mentioned is, yeah, we need to work on those areas, communicating,
Yes.
sharing our feelings and thoughts towards somebody else. That's obviously a good
Hmm.
thing.
Yes,
Nice.
and yes, that because in corporate world, as you
Hmm.
mentioned, you are also working in that.
Hmm.
So I just noticed one thing: everyone is too much busy. So
Yes.
apart from them, I think we need to communicate with the peoples. If you can communicate with new peoples into
Hmm.
new places, like it
Hmm.
will also you will also learn so much new things, like their
True.
cultures, their
True.
things. Like after coming here into Hyderabad, I got about like what is that Makar Sankranti is said in
Ha
like
ha.
Andhra is like it's
Yeah.
a biggest festival of that. I didn't
Yes.
even know that. So
Hmm.
when I know that I enjoyed that with my friends, they brought me some sweets. I
Great.
communicate with them.
Great.
So I think communication with the peoples is really needed in our personal life also. It
Great.
will enhance our self also,
Hmm.
our perspective, our thinking, everything.
Yes. Great. It's great talking to you, indeed. Yeah, I just want to request you. This is our channel, English for Life. Please suggest if
Okay.
somebody wants to make video like how we are doing. Just ask them to subscribe and encourage our channel. And it was really great interacting with you.
Sure, sure. I will do
Yeah.
it. Sure.
Thank you
And
very
I
much.
also feel so happy to talk with you, and it is really a good talk to you. Yeah,
Thank you very
sure.
much. Thank you. Yeah, we'll see you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Have a good day. Bye bye.
You too. Bye.